Hello, my name is Sneezeweed, and I'm from a ditch in Kentucky. And this is my sister right here, the popular, the superstar, my partner in crime, Amber Sneezeweed.
We're gonna be watching Pee Wee Herman's Big Adventure. The first one. There's a sequel, but I'm not watching that. We also have a giant bag of Trolley Sour Bright Crawlers. We upgraded from Sour Neon Worms. We also installed a mirror so you can watch the movie with us. It's really bad quality. You're welcome. Look how bad the quality is.
What?
You know, I don't want to hear that. I have a severely impacted colon.
Super phallic.
This movie reminds me of my daughter because she doesn't do anything.
She's a fetus.
Doesn't mean she can't feed us. I don't know if you can see it, but there's his bite. I had one like that before.
Except it's a white knight sex toy.
I get farts that sound like Pee Wee Herman sometimes. Let's try to do our best impressions of Pee Wee Herman.
Pee Wee, 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 Pee Wee.
10 out of 10.
That was my best.
Is my song done yet?
Oh yeah. It's actually Kool-Aid Man.
Wait,
whobahstank. 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 I've been drafted into the military.
See you later.
I could fit the entire cast of Little People Big World under his left nipple. I have a hook for hands.
One thing you were hooked for your hands.
I want to get a job at ARC so bad.
I feel just perfect. In fact, I can't remember when I felt quite so lovely down here.
It's not Texas, it's Texas. I'm holding this baby hostage until someone can tell me Victoria's Secret. Is my dad in here? No? No? No, they make you pay alimony in there. It's all PS2 since they can't read the disc. So we're just gonna start the movie all over again. I guess. Having some technical difficulties. Adios. I'm Sneezeweed, and this is my sister, Amber Sneezeweed. And we're going to be reviewing Pee Wee Herman's Big Adventure, which was directed by Tim Burton. This is a library copy, so it's most likely going to mess up.
I predict it will.
I'm pretty sure it's going to mess up at some point. You know, Amber, this is a great movie.
I agree, Shauna.
I watched this movie 1,000 times. Homeless kids that I shelter at the Sneezeweed Memorial Ditch.
Cactus blisters.
Not today. Not today, Amber. How?